We all care for the planet and want to reduce our impact on the environment. But often we don't know where or how to start.
Now is a great time to relearn, rethink and rebuild our world by making more environment-friendly choices.
What if you could learn how to take action for a more sustainable future while also building positive employee engagement at your office?
We at Scrap are conducting workshops on sustainability and zero-waste living. Our workshops are designed to build conversations around climate action and help make this inspiring, engaging and actionable. So, what do these workshop topics look like? Let's find out. Our Zero Waste Living workshop is a great starting point to learn about sustainable living and why it's so important. We also teach you how you can beat plastic pollution or how to convert food scraps into beautiful nutrient-rich compost all from your homes. In our Bioenzyme Workshop, we show you how you can make natural cleaners from citrus fruit peels.
In our DIY upcycling workshops, we transform an old t-shirt into reusable bags or masks, make coffee body scrubs from coffee grounds, and planters from coconut shells. There are so many meaningful steps we can take to positively affect the planet and our own lives. And we cannot wait to show you how. See you at the workshop.